Ibaraki Nature Museum is located in Ibaraki Prefecture, northeast of Tokyo. It's about a 1 hour drive from central Tokyo or just under 2 hours by train. You and your kids can explore science, nature, and have fun in the outdoors all in one day. This super family-friendly spot is part museum, part nature park, and it's so nice having both options in one place. We started indoors and went through all the exhibits ranging from huge dinosaurs to an aquarium area, and we had lunch at the restaurant in the museum, which was good. I think next time we'll bring some food for a nice picnic in the huge park area just outside. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more family-friendly places across Japan. Thanks for watching!